She's cute and she's giving. Don't play with her. Better clock back to you, better clock it. And then look at these brown pants. Next, we got a giveaway that's coming up soon. It's the holidays and I want to be a blessing to somebody. So comment down below. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? Hey YouTube, what it do? It's your girl Chatty Shay and I'm back with another video for you guys. So on today, you guys, we got us a little Shein haul. Like, your girl kind of went crazy on Shein. Like, your girl went crazy, okay? First of all, this package been sitting here for a month. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I've had this package here for a month. I just haven't had a chance to get to it, but y'all, we get into it today. So y'all, let's get into these Shein haul looks, okay? So y'all, we just gonna be randomly selecting on the bag. So let's get into these pieces. My inspiration for this haul was to try to get pieces that I don't have in my closet already. So let's hope I did a good job. Let's hope I did a good job, okay? All right, y'all. So first piece, and again, a month. I don't know what this stuff is, okay? So it's like a little top. Let's put it on. So I got the top on, y'all. This top is so stinking cute. Like, look at this. Like, y'all, it is so stinking cute. Like, it's like cinched in right here. It got like this little collar. Like, she's eating the girl up. Like, I love this. I love the color of this too, y'all. The color is so cute. It's so soft. So yeah, we wearing this to work. This a cute little work shirt or whatever. Like, get into it. Love it for me. Next, I got this top on, y'all, which came from Shein, and I also have these bottoms on. Y'all, these are some dress pants. Like, they got a zipper right here on the side, which is super cute. So like, you can zip it down, zip it up, okay, y'all. And they are also flare at the bottom. I wish y'all could see my whole body. I'm so sorry, but they are flare, y'all, and super cute. And they have some detailing on the front, y'all, which I love. I love this shirt. This top is so cute. I didn't button it, but y'all, the top, it chokes like this, so it's really, really tight fitting. But y'all, I love this. And I bought these two pieces to actually go together, y'all. And I think I bought a bracelet too. It's coming back. It's coming back. Hold on, y'all. Because I feel like I bought a bracelet to go with this. Let me see. Y'all, hold on. I think I bought a bracelet. Hold on. I found the bracelet, y'all. So I actually bought this bracelet to go with this. I thought it would be so cute, y'all. But I think it's like too matchy. Like, do you see that? Like, yeah, I think it's too matchy. So we're not going to wear this. But y'all, the bracelet came from Shein. Freaking love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I left the pants on from the last outfit. These are the pants, y'all. Better look. Really stretchy. And all my bottoms are extra large. My tops are extra large. So this brown top, y'all, is so cute. Like, it scrunches up on the side. Like, can y'all see that like little detailing that kind of like makes the shirt kind of like shapely? Like, look at it. Like, oh, it's so cute. Love it. It is so stinking cute, y'all. And I love that it has like this high neck. Next, we have this cute little number here, y'all. I love this top. Look, this top is a stellar, okay? Like, okay, so like it is long enough. Like, can you see? Long enough. And it's just so fitting. Like, and I love this little detail right here. Shein did they big one. The sizing is a little off on this, y'all, because I am wearing an extra large, and extra large is my size, and so this shirt is a little fitted. I don't know if that's how they wanted the shirt to be, but it is a little bit fitted. But I'm okay with that because, baby, she's giving. She's giving. But I wanted to show y'all the sweatpants before I put them on, y'all. So I bought some flare sweatpants because I really needed a pair, and I've seen that these been trending everywhere, and they've been like $40 to $50. Even on Amazon, I think they're like $40. I think I only paid like $15 for these, y'all. And that's these little sweatpants with like that little detailing right there, y'all. We getting ready to put these on. So I just wanted to show y'all, like, they are wide leg. Love that for us. Okay, thick waistband. Okay. We getting ready to put this on. I moved the camera back so y'all can see, so hopefully y'all can get a full body of the sweatpants. But y'all, look at the sweatpants. Oh, can y'all see? Oh, look, they're so stinking cute. Like, look, y'all, I'm going to get every color. And they got real pockets. Real pocket sweatpants, y'all. Look, I love these, y'all. They are so long to the floor. We going to get every color. It's safe to say that the trend here is obviously black and white. Okay, y'all, look at the sleeves on this dress. Y'all, again, this dress hits the floor. Okay, it hits the floor. I am 5'5" and it's hitting the floor. I mean, I'm not a big fan of how low cut this is, y'all, because this is actually really a deep cut. I just like threw the excess over my shoulders and pulled it down in the back. But y'all, this is a deep cut, which I'm not a fan of it. But I love the arms. I love the color and the fit of this, y'all. We in the extra large. Like, ooh. Look at that body. Is that how that song go? Probably not. But yeah, y'all. So I love this, y'all, and it is so long to the floor. Oh, she's cute. Oh, she's cute. Okay, she's cute and she's giving. Don't play with her. Love that for me. Okay, ladies, so I'm back. I have on this orange like turtleneck asymmetrical top, y'all. Orange is my favorite color and I freaking love this top. I also have on some brown pants that are way too tight and they're extra large. So that goes to show you that Shein sizes are not like universal. Okay, Shein sizes vary depending on, I guess, the brand, because you know on Shein they have different brands on the site, and these particular pants are extremely tight for XL. So, and maybe that's why I had that brown shirt to go with these brown pants. But y'all, so this is what the top looks like, y'all. I'm obsessed with this top. I love the neck on this and everything, y'all. I love the shape. Like, look at the shape, y'all. Okay, the back is just cut off. And then look at these brown pants. Y'all, so the brown pants are supposed to be flare dress pants, which they are flare, but they're somewhat high waters. Like, let me see. Oh, y'all can't see them. Like, you see, they stop right there. So they semi-high waters, like they'll be flying in the air. However, if you pair it with like a boot or a pump, it won't even matter. So the pants we obviously are keeping, but just how I style them will vary. However, baby, it's giving. Okay, y'all, and these are just some regular brown pants material. Y'all see that? Just some regular material, y'all. But y'all, we're getting every color in this top. We're going back to Shein. We're getting every color. Y'all, why shouldn't I get every color? Why shouldn't I get, like, look at, Is this my real body? Body not included. Well, I also purchased this peach blazer, y'all, which it has one button right here, so all of this is open. So I'm gonna stand back from a distance, but this is what the peach blazer looks like. I still have those brown pants on, y'all, but the peach blazer is cute, y'all. I'm going to pair this with something for work. So this is actually going to turn into a work outfit. But y'all, it's giving, y'all. And look at like the material. It's like a flannel type material. Love it, love it, love it. This next piece, y'all, I took it out the bag. I'm gagging. Can we get us some commotion for the dress? Yo, look at this. Alright, y'all, so this is a dress, and you see how like the sleeves kind of flare. This is what the bottom of the dress looks like as well, y'all. Y'all gonna have to go to my TikTok to see how I style is. I wish y'all could see the bottom. Let me see. It comes right below my knees, like boom. It comes right below the knees, and it also has that like flare type thing. Super cute, y'all. I got those brown pants on, by the way, still too, y'all. But this is super cute, y'all. We wearing this next week, baby. Look. Ah! Ooh, you better clock that. You better clock it. Next, y'all. Y'all, I know that this is the final piece, but I think this is the best piece. Like, look at this. Do y'all see? Like, it has two buttons right here, so you can like unbutton it or button it back. Y'all, I still have those brown pants on. Y'all, but like it's perfectly cut at your waist. It's sleeveless, and I love the print and the color of this. Y'all, we do it. And y'all, this has like a little pink outline right there. Can y'all see the little pink outline? Y'all, we gonna do something with this. Ooh! Ooh! Alright, y'all, well, this is the final piece of clothing. I did also buy a white belt. I'll take it out so y'all can see it. Not like y'all ain't never seen a white belt before, right? But I bought this white belt to go with this outfit that I already have, because I needed a white belt that could go around my waist. And y'all, this that belt. This that belt. Look. Not that I'm wearing this together. I'm just showing y'all the belt. This is a great stretch belt, y'all. Oh my God. I'm going back to get every color in this too. I don't know if this comes in sizes. Do it? No, y'all. It says 100. So just like one size fit all. I don't know. But the belt is fire. The belt is fire, y'all. It's a stretch belt, so it is plus size friendly. Okay. Anyway, y'all, that concludes my Shein haul. I'm super excited. Comment down below the pieces y'all liked the most. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay, and I just want to say thank y'all for all y'all support. I'm super excited that y'all are still watching the videos and that y'all are still loving on your girl. I also want to say comment down below. Comment if you've watched my video in its entirety, because y'all, we got a giveaway that's coming up soon. It's the holidays, and I want to be a blessing to somebody. So comment down below and tell me, like, I watched this video and I cannot wait for the giveaway. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means?